Howdy folks, Kirk and Jay here with Kirk Giordano Plastering. Today I want to show you guys what we're doing today. We're actually prepping this. We pressure washed it. We're going to put a coat of stucco flex, acrylic stucco over this. But before we do that, we had to do a lot of preliminary stuff. I looked at this a week ago and I told the fellow, well, he's got a lot of, as we go up, you'll see a lot of cracking and things of that nature. And I said, well, you don't have any drain holes. It's tough to get a wall to stay in place without drain holes. I said, I could see you've got concrete block and concrete added to it. And he says, well, how do you know that? I said, because you got 50 tons to 75 tons. And when it gets 3 months of rain, you got 150 tons of rain moisture pushing on this. And the fact that the blocks haven't come out lets me know that it's had the concrete block as well as rebar in it and concrete in it. So what we did is, I told him, well, what we'll do is we'll pressure wash it, we'll apply the stucco flex. And I advised him, I said, get some holes put in. He says, how do you do that? I said, I'll tell you what, man, me and Jay will do it because Jay's done this a lot of times. I won't even charge you for it, but because we're here, we'll do them. I'll show you. So we put a couple right here. Now what we did was we leveled these out because the cars coming up and down this street, they'll look real cool right here, would be level. Anyway, so we're going every 6 inches from the ground, 6 inches from the ground, 6 inches from the ground, 6 inches. And again, you get 4 months of rain, guys. This mountain is going to hold a whole lot of water. This is what we got going on. It's cracking, it's doing a lot of things, but what do you expect? This is down 2 feet, no doubt. And it's solid concrete in concrete block, but it's just too much to hold up. So we're putting these holes in them, the drainage holes. Now, I've never done them in the walls. I've done them. I've used this right here to go put lag bolt a foundation down for a house, and this was my bit. And guys, if you're going to do this, don't try to use a little guy here. Even Jay's hilt is a little too small. So what Jay got is this one here, and I told him, dude, you go ahead and drill the holes. I don't bend that way anymore. But he says, can you hold the camera? And I thought, no, I'd rather do this. So what we're going to do, guys, is I'll show you how we put these in. We're going 6 inches off the ground. This is a rotor hammer, so that means it hits it and vibrates at the same time. I'm letting my knee do the work. My knee is pushing it. Skill, not muscle. Just like riding a horse. Yeah, baby. Eureka, hit gold. And that's how you do it. It went all the way to the other side. That's how you put some drainage holes. But if you guys are going to do this, get a big hilt. They could rent these at most places. Don't try to use those little ones. I know I tried. It doesn't work. Anyway, Jay's going to finish putting all the rest of these in here because this is a weird, awkward bend for me. Anyway, my name is Kirk. Jason on the camera. We thank you guys for watching, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one.
All right, folks, we want to thank you for watching how we do things in the stucco and plastering world. We really enjoy your questions and comments, so if there's anything you want to learn about that we can show you, please let us know in the comments. And as always, from the entire Giordano family, we'll see you on the next one.